spice is one of program spice that are used to simulate an analog or digital electronic circuit of passive and active component. To make a schematic circuit, components are definitely needed. On LT spice, passive and active components are provided. As for example, components are provided on LT spice such as capacitor, inductor, and resistor.
This is LT Spice Guide. You can pause it first to take a screenshot. Already? What does it do for? So that later you will be familiar with the next practicum. And don't forget to memorize all the shortcuts in the module. Trans, or you can call it transient analysis. Transient analysis is for analyze changes in voltage and current over time when an input signal is applied to an electronic circuit. There are important parameters for transient analysis. Number one is stop time. That means time to run the simulation. Number two is time to start saving data. That means when is the time to save data. Number three is maximum time skip. That means the number of steps to plot the waveform and various checkboxes. AC analysis involves of computing the AC complex node voltage as a function of frequency, using an independent voltage or current source as the driving signal. There are important parameters for AC analysis. That is, number one is type of sweep. Number two is number of points. Number of points is for set the graph density analysis results that will determine the smoothness of the graph. Number three is start frequency, and number four is stop frequency. Is for stop frequency to be set.
Calculating DC transfer curves in DC analysis, both the voltage source and the current source used have a constant value.
There are important parameters for analysis DC. That is name of first source to sweep. Number two is type of sweep. Number three is start value. Start value is for value to be simulated from start. Number four is stop value. Stop value to be simulated. And number five is increment. Increment is voltage range between two simulation.
Operating point analysis will provide DC circuit analysis, and the results will appear in a dialog.